Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue with our chapter 3, that is advertising and brand promotion. We had done in the previous class about advertising, that how do you advertise, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, and how people come to know about the product. That is the best way is through advertising. Now let's talk about the new topic, that is brand promotion. Or before knowing this, we should know what is brand. What is brand, children? Brand is a standard which is being maintained by about any type of product. Like for example, when you talk about mobiles, we go for Apple phones. Apple phones are the best. It has its own brand name. Okay. Then when you talk about cars, you have Audi cars, you have BMW. They are all having their own brand names. When you talk about shirts, you have Louis Phillips. Then you have when you talk about denims, also is there shirts for that. When you talk about drinks, cold drinks, which you have, that is Pepsi, Coca-Cola, it has all its own name, so what happens is people start believing that stuff. Woodland, when you talk about, it has a brand name for whether it is a shoes, whether it's a winter dress or any things. For children, we always use Johnson and Johnson. That is whether it is a soap, whether it is a thing that kids are very delicate. So we always want to get the product which whom we have trust, right? So now let's know what is brand actually. A brand is a name given to a product or a service such that it takes on an identity by itself. A brand name can create and stand for loyalty, trust, faith, premiumness, or mass market appeal, depending on how the brand is marketed, advertised, and promoted. A brand is what sells when the customer has to decide among different products having the same features, isn't it? Like for example, when you talk about shoes, there are many shoes lying out there, so you would always prefer and blindly pay for the product, like that is Adidas or Nike, whichever shoes you feel like, even of Woodland if it is there. And for local companies, if you talk about Jamshedpur round shoes and all, you prefer going to Sri Leathers, because people like we from a mediocre family, we feel that is more durable and the price is also reasonable when we compare to other things, right? Branding makes a product recognizable. Brand promotion helps to leave a deep positive impression about the brand in the buyer's mind. Like whenever we talk about Cadbury's, the thing that comes is Dairy Milk chocolate, right? Because that brand has been created about that product, and through the advertisement, that advertisement adds on to the brand. We all the other chocolates, we prefer Dairy Milk whenever you talk about it, right? Not only that, the promotion of a brand builds the trust of the customer and makes them believe that the quality of the product or service the brand provides is the best choice available in the market. So when they make purchasing decision, they tend to favor that brand. When you talk about TV, you would always prefer Samsung, Whirlpool. Whether it is washing machine, we go for Whirlpool or Samsung. They have all created their own trust in the market. They have a good hold in the market, and people blindly go and buy whatever the product comes into the market. Okay. Now, what is brand promotion? Brand promotion involves informing, reminding, persuading, convincingly, and influencing the buyers to drive their purchase decision in favor of a brand. It also focuses on building a loyal and a long-term customer base. It educates the customer about the quality, quantity, price, use, and availability of their brand product, isn't it? They even create this brand. They also create small seminar to inform about the new products that are coming into their mind. The following are the 4 popular methods by which the marketers to promote their brand. How do they do it? Advertising. Advertising is the method of spreading awareness about the brand through various traditional methods like newspaper, televisions, or news media, social media, blogs, etc. Although it is a convenient and economic process, it lacks a personal touch, isn't it? Then publicity. Advertisement we have already done. Publicity, it is a method of promoting the brand by publishing commercial significant headlines about it or its owners in a medium, or airing favorable presentation for which the sponsor doesn't directly pay. Mass media covers these events, which enhances the public image of the brand and hence earns higher credibility with mass appeal. However, marketers don't have much control over the publicity, isn't it? The publicity, like for example, you might have seen in cricket match and all when it goes on. So there are some sponsors, those who sponsor, so they advertise their product there. Okay, and there are so many ways, like in a film festival, like you have yes, film the Filmfare Awards and all. They are the sponsors are there. So those who are the hosts, those who anchor, they keep telling their names. You know, they are trying to publicity that this is one way to keep your brand name, right? Then the next one is packaging. Packaging plays a very important role. How beautifully, like nowadays you have, no, during Diwali time, before Diwali, the cashew and other things, they are so beautifully greetings, Diwali greetings. We that product is so nicely decorated. Like then we talk about tea bags, the tea, Tata tea. See the cover, it's so beautiful by the red label. We come to know by that packaging only. Red color is red label and Tata teas is green. You know, this way we start doing it. When a product is sealed in a nicely designed wrapper, it is not only gives a noticeable identity to the product but also builds the image of the brand. Nowadays, the firms are favoring innovatively designer wrappers to pack their product. Even the customers are willing to pay more for the convenience, dependability and appearance of the packet. Whenever we go, we want to give a gift. So that package adds on to your gift, right? So that creates a brand name. Okay. Then you have 360-degree campaign. A 360-degree campaign uses a combination of different marketing channels to promote a brand. Usually a successful campaign can boost sales unbelievably. But 360-degree campaign is everywhere around, whichever way they are able to publish their product. Okay. So this chapter is also, children, you have to make your own notes related to this. The question will be, what is advertising, what are the advantages, disadvantages, what is branding, what is brand promotion, what are the different methods of brand promotions, right? Then one more is online brand promotion, is the method of promoting the brand on